Do you want to learn how you can make money on YouTube without ever having to show your face or getting in front of the camera? I will show you how it's done. Hello there budding YouTubers, welcome to the YT Assimilation Club. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe and press the bell notification as you don't want to miss out on any future videos. We have series of videos on our channel that teaches you everything about how to make money on YouTube without revealing your face. Check link in the description for our playlist. Before that, let's give a shout out to our subscriber Beatriz Simafranca. I will show you a simple trick which you can apply that can help you get views a lot quicker. So be sure not to skip this video and watch it fully. The niche that we are going to see today is the automobile niche. From fast cars that can travel up to 300 miles per hour, to high-tech future electric cars that can go up to 300 miles in a single charge, the automobile niche on YouTube has an increasing trend and the opportunities are endless for faceless channels. When it comes to automobiles, your channel can be themed around two-wheelers or four-wheelers or both. For example, the trend score of electric cars is on the rise, and with Elon Musk and his Tesla leading the game of electric cars, channels that talk about them are getting hundreds of thousands of views every month. Let's look at this channel called YT Evolution. This channel talks about the latest cars that comes to the market and compares different cars based on its speed and performance. Now, let's take a look at its social blade statistics. This channel has uploaded around 86 videos so far and gained over 228,000 subscribers. This channel gets around 1 to 2 million views per month, and the CPM of car niche is usually higher, as the automotive industry is a $100 billion industry. Keeping the average CPM at $8 up to $15, this channel can easily make anywhere from $5,000 up to $10,000 a month on AdSense. Let's watch a video this channel makes. Top 20 most expensive cars on the market. This video has over 800,000 views, and it is around 17 minutes long. So it can place multiple ads in the form of mid-roll ads. Videos above 10 minutes long tend to perform better in the algorithm as they get a higher watch time, and with the addition of mid-roll ads, these videos can really make a good chunk of money with only ads. The videos these channels produce are a mix of original footage, images, and royalty-free videos. These videos come under a legal term called fair use. Now, don't be worried since I said mention legal. According to YouTube fair use guidelines, fair use is a legal doctrine that says you can reuse copyright-protected material under certain circumstances without getting permission from the copyright owner. Different countries have different rules about when it's okay to use material without the copyright owner's permission. For example, in the United States, works of commentary, criticism, research, teaching, or news reporting may be considered fair use. As long as the video we produce is transformative in nature, which means we have added voiceover that adds commentary and narration, and edited it so it doesn't look exactly like the source video, we are safe. Most of the videos you see on YouTube that have received hundreds of millions of views have made use of this fair use policy to include other people's content in a transformative way. If you are not sure what transformative is.
Hi there guys, this is Simeon from YT Assimilation. Today let's talk about how to transform your YouTube videos the best way to minimize copyright strike.
Then be sure to check this video out where we talk about how to edit your videos that minimizes your risk of a copyright strike. Link in description. Faceless channels usually follow this system. Niche selection, content ideation. Next step is hiring freelancers who then takes care of script writing, voiceover, video production, and thumbnail design. Since we have already selected our niche, which is automobiles, we can now skim through these channels' videos to come up with similar content ideas. To help you out, we have a list of over 100 plus profitable niches neatly organized for you in an ebook format. Link in the description, do check it out. Now to produce the video, we should either do it ourselves or hire freelancers. We recommend going for freelancers if you have some initial investment for your channel, as it would help you to produce videos consistently and save time. To find the best talents, always go to these places: Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. Compared to the three, Fiverr is a lot easier in finding the right freelancer due to their sophisticated system of finding talents based on your exact needs. Highly recommend checking it out. Link in the description. If you plan to edit videos yourself and only looking for voiceover and script writer for your videos, so you can save some money, there are good places where you can find royalty-free media. Pixels and Pixabay are two of the most popular free options available to find royalty-free images and videos. If you want to make your videos more professional, then we recommend going for Storyblocks. Storyblocks is a subscription-based video library where you can find millions of quality videos to use from. If you also like to add music to your videos, then we recommend the YouTube Audio Library, which is absolutely free and has a wide variety of tracks to choose from. For premium music, we recommend Epidemic Sounds. Now for the trick that I promised I will show you at the end. It's simply to search and find upcoming cars and be the first one to talk about it on YouTube. Now let me show you a very interesting stat. I have typed upcoming cars on Google Trends and the interest score is quite interesting. The score seems to be always high throughout the year. Reason: there are new cars coming every month and people who are interested in them typically tend to come to YouTube to see if they can find a video about them. The upcoming car models will have really high searches, and usually if you are the first to make the video about the car, you have a lot of chances to rank in the search results and get high views from it. If you have made this far in this video, we have a good news for you. We really wish you that you grow your YouTube channels. If you want to learn the secret methods of how to get hundreds of thousands of views on YouTube to make more money, then we have a special course for you where we reveal the exact step-by-step process of how videos blow up on YouTube, and how you can implement the strategies we have learned to get similar results. It's running at 25% discount. Check the link in description, guys. We also have a series of videos on our channel for you guys to help you out in your YouTube journey. Link in description. Do check them out. Until next time, peace.